Hi, my name is Maeve McCartney and I'm the Customer Engineering Manager with Balcas Energy. I started with the company 12 years ago, initially in an admin role covering maternity leave, and then very quickly moved up into a technical role. I suppose one of my first main projects here was getting the company accredited to the EN Plus standard, which is the European recognised quality standard for wood pellets. It's not only just a quality standard for the pellet itself, but it also involves both the manufacturing and the delivery processes. So I played an instrumental role in setting up the processes, implementing them within the business, and also conducting pre-accreditation audits, and since then heavily involved in our annual auditing process. I then progressed up to customer engineering and customer engineering manager. I now have a team of engineers and together we have quite a varied role. I suppose we cover areas such as operations, sales, technical sales and compliance. Our team and I, we would provide technical support for our thousands of customers. That would be residential and commercial. Yeah, we're also heavily involved in the industrial heat side of the business. This is where we provide sustainable green energy solutions to large industrial steam users. And at the moment we have a number of these projects live and they're all based in Scotland, a country that I had never set foot in until I started in Balcas, and now where I feel like it's my second home. So plenty of travelling involved, which is good, and plenty of variety. These projects really secure a route to market for our product, which is the wood pellet. And as I say, they're based in within the distillery industry. So the industrial heat side of the business, it's effectively an ESCO model. We have installed the equipment into the distilleries. We have 4 megawatt steam boilers, and the client will operate it, but we are responsible for maintenance. We are responsible for performance management and ensuring that downtime is kept to a minimum. As well as that, we supply the fuel in the form of the wood pellets, and then the customer is invoiced for just solely for the heat that they use. So it's a bit like your electricity bill coming in at the end of the month. So here we're looking at one of the installations at one of our sites. As you can see here, we have the schematic of the boiler. This is live, so what you see here now is actually what's happening on site. And here we can control and monitor everything remotely. We can see the current capacity of the boiler. We can see the pressure in the boiler and the pressure in the client's line, which is the steam pressure that they are using. And also we can see all the combustion parameters and ensure that they're all within spec. As well as this, we can also go in and take a look at the fuel feed side of the system. We can monitor the silos, the fuel levels and the conveyance system going in. So from here then we can inform the scheduling side of the business whenever there are more pellets required. And from this as well, sometimes, as with all operations, you might get a few errors or a motor will trip out, and this will all highlight on our screen, and then we can act on that from there.